This is how we preparing our bird with our seasoning for Thursday. So we got celery, onion, thyme. Y'all know we gotta use that sazon. We gotta make sure she's seasoned good. Should be nice now. Here's where we at. She been in about after 2 o'clock. It's now 6. I think she's just about done. She just got brown. And then got the liquid to do the gravy. Come in, mama. Okay, she's finished. Beautiful. Look at her brown. Compliments of Chef David. Oh wow, yeah. So we're gonna start the rest of the meal. We're doing seasoned rice and beans, baked macaroni, VI stuffing. Yeah. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That's a nice brown. That's a nice brown. So we starting on the baked macaroni. So we have some sweet oil. That's what you got, right? Sweet oil, vegetable oil, and salt. These are the ingredients we will make the cheese soiree to go in it. So we got our cheese, Velveeta, salt, and we by the elbows, elbows, macaroni, and the milk. And then we're gonna spread cheese, do layers of cheese with the shredded cheese. So these are my ingredients to do the VI stuffing with the carnation milk, raisins. I had to put a little tomato paste in mine. Sweet peppers, I have them in the fridge, and some cinnamon. And over here, I'm about to get the rice going. I love my rice cooker. This is so convenient. So I use pink beans, Goya pink beans, Uncle Ben's rice, and this is our season we have made when we do the turkey with the garlic, seasoned salt, thyme, celery, onion, sweet peppers, all kind of good stuff up in here. So I'm gonna be for the rice.
Baby, don't just like me to mess up a good thing. Another night ruined, I don't even know when we became this way. Now you're acting so different than back when we had it easy. And now you don't believe me when I say I'll change.
Babe, Anna, what are you doing?
Washing it up.
So each time when you train, whether you wash it up?
You don't wash your rice?
The man, throw that in a big bowl. Measure it. Take two, and if that's 4 cups, then you wait. Oh shit, when you going to tip it?
You see how we like to take over? I see how we like to take over.
Okay, my bad.
This is how I mean.
Just like me, still instigating things, fucking up another perfect
Loca, loca.
Try to do your thing. Try to help you and still do your thing.
Oh my god, that's so funny. So she good? No, you don't need to put a cover on, Papa.
Babe.
Yeah, that bun is a boiling, but I know. That's why for.
I know. But I try to do your thing, still wash up, and still do my thing at the same time. But you catch me when my shit boiling up. Wow.
Woo.
And he and put me on blast. I said, oh,
You know what happened? This is just regular. Okay, so I'm gonna close it down.
kind of frying anyway.
Yeah.
And just toast you up.
Power. And we're doing white. And that's it. Coming along. She probably got a little more to do.
But what part of the little part? Oh.
That's for the gravy. That's a gravy to make. Right there. So let me start cutting up my peppers and stuff for the stuffing. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Let me put them on. So he just put Velveeta and milk.
First train on the plane, we were flying to the mountain, all across the ocean, and there we go again. Walking in the streets, lost in new places, a million new faces, diving deeper in the world, riding on the road, into the unknown, all on our own, until we settle down.
So just some water with the peppers first.
Finding new bones, trying to find place we call home. They say enough is enough. It's time to head home to see the ones we love.
I usually use from scratch the potatoes, I do mashed potatoes, but otherwise I use the Idaho. This is the original one. Make sure you get originals. I have others that have like a taste to it, so it might taste, yeah, see, I have a lot of different others. So make sure you get like the original one because these have like different tastes to it. So I don't feel like using the potato. I don't feel like peeling and all that, so this is what I use. So just gonna pour it into the oven. My water boiling. So I get to the right consistency and sweet how I want it. So this is how it's looking. And then this the gravy coming through. Sauce me down. That's a good consistency. Nice stuffing came out. This is how it looks. Let me show you guys. So that's how the stuffing looks. Yummy. And then we got the rice. The rice came out really good. We get 2 mac and cheese because David do 2 bags.
You tell me do 2 bags.
I say 1.5. 1.5, papi. 1.5. Let me show you guys though. If I could get this thing open. Big macaroni. This is another macaroni. And then this just the roast. We're about to get ready for the day.
No, yo, you gotta do this, the coleslaw.
I gotta do this because I'm tired. I'm gonna sit down for a little while. And then we'll get ready. We're gonna come back and do this. And then we'll go eat. What time is it? It's only after 10. Are we done? Yeah. Let me try Miss Woman over here. It's Thanksgiving. Hi. Alright, see her teeth? Show them your teeth. Show them your teeth. Let me see the teeth. So you're gonna show you just talking because she messed up her bow and everything. But I do get some cute pictures. My first Thanksgiving. And then she got a little tutu with it. Look at the teeth. Let me see the teeth. Let me see the teeth. Move your tongue, I want to see the teeth. Let me get a new baby car. Mama, having fun? Hey guys, so after 12 is 1 o'clock. And then at 1 o'clock, we'll go to eat. Bed and put my clothes. Mama's up, she about to eat too because she's hungry. I find these plates at Party City. I say happy Thanksgiving. And I like it, we got it over. Then we could fit more food in it. So just me and David eating now. Yeah, hello?
You still watching the parade?
No, I think it's in there.
No.
Plate looking. Well, this is my plate. David plate. And we got our apple cider. We're about to say grace and eat. And my mother eat her sweet potatoes. Right? You done eat, right? I see the teeth. You see the teeth? See the teeth? Alright, mama, we're gonna eat now, okay? Hey you guys, so it's the end of the day, Thanksgiving. I just came cleaning up everything. Yeah, I'm gonna wash up now. I just came back from my mother. Went very far away. So they can see the Leann and stuff. And yeah, I grabbed a plate over there. We eat. So I just pack up my food and I'm gonna wash up and just clean up and just enjoy the rest of the night with hubby. Mama already. She about to go to sleep in a while. Yep. He got work tomorrow, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed your Thanksgiving. Let me know how it went down below in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Give this video a big thumbs up and I'm gonna see you guys in another one.